Fuel Systems has listened to your needs. We came out with the PFD, the Powerstroke Filter Elite 1001, and it's for 2011 Fords and up to 2020. We believe that it's actually going to cover 2021 because last week we had one of our teams that we sponsor put a 2020 kit on the Ford and on to a 2021, and it worked with everything that we had. It's the same truck with what they're telling us, so we believe that this is also going to be the same, but we're not quite 100%. All right. So what this is going to do is get rid of your filter bowl in the middle of your V. It's going to clean that up, but it's also going to get rid of the cost of that fuel filter. So all you're going to need are 2 fuel filters from FASS. If you buy FASS branded filters, you're going to meet and exceed manufacturer's specifications, and you're going to have the best filtration on the market in the world on your Ford. Go to fastride.com. Have a blessed day. Thank you.